to our next video for Xero Advanced Bookkeeping course. In this video, we will see how you can add contacts to your customers and suppliers to Xero. So in order to add contacts, you need to go to here, select contacts, and then click on add contacts. So on here you can see that we don't have any existing contacts here. So to create a contact, you need to select new contact over here. Now this will ask you some basic information relating to the contact that you're adding. So the first is the contact information of the person or the company that you're adding, and the second is the financial details, which actually helps you when you go to bookkeeping. It actually fills in the information that you enter here. So let's create a contact. Say the company name is Besai and the person is John Williams. You can add an email address, just John Williams @ yahoo.com. You can add a country number such as let's say so. Now you can add a postal address for them as well. You can also add a Skype number if you have and use it, and if they have a website you can add it over here. So also you can add a postal address such as PO box number 36. So this actually sets it out. You can also add a street address if you can add it. So it is not required to fill in all of this information, just some basic information that will keep your contact and will make it easier for you to track your customers and suppliers. So on financial details, you will need to add your sales and purchase settings for this contact. So let's say tax is inclusive as we discussed earlier. Let's say the default count is 200 sales, and then under purchases you can select still that our bills are inclusive and our purchases are charged to cost of goods sold. So this, and you can also have a text information. You can add a text information over here. And then if you have an Australian company number, you can add it over here, and then your other financial information such as if this is a customer, so you can also create credit limit to this. Let's say this is 50,000. And then you can actually select what you want to do once there is a credit limit breach. So do not block any invoices past credit limit. So you can actually select block sending invoices past credit limit, which means that no further invoices will be issued if the customer already owes 50,000. So if this is appropriate, you can also add a sales discount. This can be for particular customers, such as where you provide certain customers a specific discount, so you can add it over here. And then you can also choose an appropriate currency, so it will be an Australian dollar. It could be anything, a different currency if your customer or your supplier is from a different country. So you can add it over here. And then you can add